KTCC presents Karnataka Business Awards.
Mundina award that we have is for the best celebrity baker of the year. Well, there are many people who are celebrating here today. So they would need a cake to celebrate the sweet moment. And if you want to pick amongst the best celebrity baker of the year, let's welcome on stage Zara's Cakelicious, who's here to the company. Let's hear a very big round of applause, making many celebrations as sweet as possible, as colorful as possible, as merrier as possible with their wonderful baking. Here's presenting an award to all of that you have given to the world here. Congratulations, Zara's Cakelicious. Like I said, tumba award padkondidare tumba jana. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ Zara's Cakelicious ಇಂದ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಕೇಕ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ಸ್ congratulating you for making so many celebrations colorful and sweet with your sweet cakes.